application issued by the school service committee. This is
Why?
blood.
We have filed the petition here.
Why?
Blood.
We have filed the petition here. Just challenging the rules and etc. Everything against the judgment of Arunima Pal. They filed SLP, and in that SLP, they have taken all these points. And Malad, kindly see this one.
Well, I have been ordered, Malad. They were lordship ordered. Subsequently, Malad, they have challenged SLP before the court. Malad, this is annexing the writ petition, similar order.
Either
Malad, senior friend also.
let them proceed here, or let them do not share.
No, this is SLP admitted by the Supreme Court.
In that case, how can
the order pass?
Here?
This is the pending, Malad. I have annexed everything, Malad, before the Supreme Court.
Yes.
Look.
Then
Team parties.
এটা
Apart from, well, I have this annexed the writ petition before the Supreme Court. This writ petition is pending, but subsequently division bench and single bench order. I bring with the
and the normal order.
The Supreme Court is in session of the matter. Today, how this court
11th is fixed for the hearing.
Yes, how this court will consider it?
No, kindly fix the matter after that, my lord.
Why? Let me dispose of the matter.
No, my lord, 1 second, my lord. Subject to lordship.
All points which are there, all that points are in the SLP, and leave has been granted to file SLP. Kindly see,
yes,
leave has been granted. Since they have not
petition pending, I bring with the SLP copy.
Since you have preferred an SLP and SLP is admitted, and the matter is pending before the Supreme Court, what is the reason for filing a subsequent writ petition?
That is the point before the Supreme Court. The writ petition is pending and order passed by the honorable.
That was not the point.
That's why SLP point.
No.
I bring
What is the point before the Supreme Court?
Writ petition is pending. Subsequently, your lordship was passed a similar order, and division bench also hold that order, and that order challenged before the Supreme Court. That's why, during the pending of the writ petition, I annexed the writ petition in the SLP. This writ petition pending before the honorable High Court also. After that, SLP admitted.
No, the Supreme Court has not heard all this. No. You didn't say this. What has happened, Miller? This is all that matters. No, please. All that. No. I was not. Don't say all this. Don't say all this. Don't make. Miller, what has happened? What has happened? All that SLP bunches are coming and they are saying they are the untainted teachers. We are saying yes, these are the untainted teachers. We have given them admit cards.
I failed to understand without going into the niceties that once you have filed an SLP, which is an order was passed on 25th August 2025, and matter will come up further process will be postponed accordingly. So this is the order passed that as it was passed in other matter.
Yes.
Now, why you subsequently have filed the present petition? Because this was filed on
prior to that.
No.
I have
21st July it was filed.
21st July after the judgment, the delivery of the judgment of the division bench. After your lordship had passed the judgment, I hope it was anyway 7 July, 14 July. Anyway, 7 July, 14 July division bench. 21st July Supreme Court. First matter is the 21st July, which has been dismissed, and this has been filed on 21st July.
The order of this,
I do not mind. Let him give an undertaking. He will not proceed with the SLP.
No, that is
No. You can't have.
no.
Milord, you
But
cannot
I
have
will bring,
same
but
prayer in.
if I would take any wrong in the SLP, then I will give in the undertaking. But because I have stated in the
Milord, it is hit by doctrine of res
So
judicata.
in the SLP 16 July 2025, Arunima Pal is challenged.
Arunima Pal has challenged.
and I
Mat
have
1024.
10?
Mat 1024 is
Arising out of that.
yes. So division bench order was challenged by the petitioners.
By the petitioner also.
writ petition
Milord,
pending.
there are,
Why separate?
may I just
Writ petition
tell you lots. What has happened? Two types of one, that Arunima Pal was an unsuccessful candidate. All their SLPs were dismissed. So, but the untainted teachers, they are not covered by Arunima Pal, but all their points have been covered. Supreme Court has said all right.
Relaxation has been
Relaxation
to the extent of 45%.
If anybody is there, but not a single case is 45%. Relaxation was required, 50% all they have there. Now that has been given. Now the same challenge, the rules, which was your lordships, I have already pointed out to the court, these points have been covered because of the Arunima Pals you have dismissed. The court is saying, all right, we have issued the notice, on the next day we will see to that. Anyway, now the point here is, OBE Sadhu Khan has filed an SLP special leave petition against the Arunima main judgment, your lordship's judgment, and then they marched with the division bench judgment. Against that judgment, entire rules have been challenged. Here is also entire rules have been challenged. Therefore, this naturally this petition is not maintainable. If it is maintainable, I don't mind. Then in that case, your lordships follow your lordships judgment.
In that case, after pending,
I don't mind. Kindly take it, and I will rely upon your lordships judgment.
Sanjay Doli,
Sanjay Doli, na? Yes, Sanjay Doli. Follow that, Milord.
I have
accepting untainted part, your lordships kindly follow that judgment.
Taken the averment, the writ petition is pending. That's why I come before your Supreme Court, because this same issue, the order has been passed by the honorable single judge division bench. I have not stated the writ petition not pending and separate issue. In connection of this writ petition, I filed the SLP. I have also annexed in the SLP. This is the writ petition, this is pending before the honorable single bench. So after that, the SLP, the admit. And not fixed on the 11th September, the matter is fixed. Kindly take it up 12.
Why both the proceedings on the same
because
one judgment just I rely on this.
Submitted before the Supreme Court that you filed the writ petition.
Yes.
That's why you filed a writ petition.
Yes, I have said no annex.
Therefore, we are not pressing this SLP. That was not your case.
Yes. After writ petition was pending the writ petition, thereafter SLP has been filed.
Yes.
You have stated in
so you could have withdrawn the SLP from the Honorable Supreme Court in view of pendency of this writ petition.
Well, I have stated in the issue, apart from that, SLP to be admitted by the Supreme Court.
So if SLP is admitted, let it be decided how this writ petition is pending.
In this collection, I have filed a SLP.
No, you have filed
SLP
against Arunima Pal.
No, I have annexed in writ petition.
Your SLP is against the order dated 16 July 2025, passed in MAT 1024.
Yes.
Passed in MAT 1024. Mr. Bandyopadhyay, MAT number is not telling.
No, MAT number, Arunima, he challenged the judgment of Sanjay Kumar Doli. Sanjay Kumar Doli, and there are different MAT number was there. Subject matter is same. Sanjay Doli decided in terms of Arunima Pal. In that case,
Arunima Pal was decided in terms of Sanjay Doli.
Correct. But Arunima Pal appeal was taken up first.
Yes.
Arunima Pal appeal was taken up. Joseph,
that order is dated
21st
July 2025. Arunima Pal appeal before the Supreme Court.
Yes. Division bench judgment. Yes. Arunima Pal SLP was dismissed. Then all waiting list candidates, etc., those who are not successful, all their SLPs were dismissed. Correct. Second part is coming right from Vivek Parua. Vivek Parua is an untainted teacher, and he was saying that he didn't get the admit card because of that. We have said
teachers are not untainted teachers.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, they are untainted. They are untainted. They have got the admit card. They have
got the relaxation.
No.
Well, relaxation was not required in their case. Yes, not required. Admit card was given and not required. Now, in the appeal, it's SLP itself, they have challenged that Arunima Pal, Sanjay Dole, whatever the cases. In his case, the SLP kindly similar that he has challenged. SLP copy ache? Mal kindly excuse me, Malad. I am giving from the iPad. Kindly excuse me. This is SLP page down.
At present, no SLP copy.
Yes, it is with
tomorrow I'll bring the hard copy of the SLP.
It is with me. Sanjay Kumar.
Scroll down, Milord.
They kindly see Sanjay Kumar Doli, page 1, and then Milord see then page. Can see the issues involved in this appeal. Then they have annexed the Arunima Pal. This is the impugned judgment before the Supreme Court. This I am saying impugned judgment of the Supreme Court. Now, Milord, kindly see the judgment. Then your loss got it.
Yes.
Hello, got it. Now, Milord, kindly come. Just I will show to you. See, forget about this judgment. Now, kindly come to points. Point of law. And kindly see now. Kindly come to page 30.
13.
30. Fast. 30. Why I am showing the cause title. See, Obijit Sadhukan, not a party, petitioner number 1. Not a party means in the Calcutta High Court, they were not party.
Yes, Obijit Sadhuka, point number 1.
No, not a party. All they are not a party. Then kindly come to my lord, page. Page kindly see. Kindly come to page 44. One of the published notifications, but the person notification is completely different from the 2016 return, and the several points have been newly included. So and so, whether only of the all have failed to consider the school service commission have published notification so and so, entire process is being carried out so and so, so and so. Same question: whether the honorable division of the honorable High Court failed to appreciate that the contents of the notification rule 2020 in itself are contradictory, uncertain, and also against the well-settled principles that the process of selection cannot be changed in the midway, so and so. Then kindly see next point, whether the honorable division of the honorable High Court have failed to consider that in the new notification the committee reserves the rights to cancel with so and so, so and so. Then whether the honorable High Court have failed to consider the entire recruitment rule has been changed and the rules of second session is completely changed. The response authority is totally contrary to the observation. Whether the honorable division of the Calcutta have failed to consider the academic marks of the written test as well as the interview as well as professional test has totally changed. All marks so and so, so and so, so and so, so and so. Whether the honorable division bench of the honorable have failed to consider that in the previous notice there was a clarification that one candidate may apply in the post of so and so school by giving marks. Whether the honorable division of the other kindly see entire rule has been changed. Challenge. And let them say, I will be happy. No, let them say, all they are urging, if the selected candidate they teaching experience don't want, we will delete it.
No, that is not
Supreme Court has said to them, you see, the rules have made in such a way that all candidates should be appeared, and you have given 10 marks extra
for past experience.
Past experience. Very honestly, to accommodate them. If they don't want, we will delete it. We'll delete it.
So
let them agree.
You are permitted to participate. Admit card issued now. You are challenging the 2025 rules. That rule, the validity of this rule is one of the issues before the Supreme Court in connection with the SLP, where an judgment was passed in your SLP. So how this present petition is maintainable?
Present petition prior to the before filing.
One judgment just I showed to your lordship. Before just one 2007 6 SSC 120. That's 18. Paragraph 18. I am giving to your lordship. Court content. The court would not ordinarily permit a party to pursue two parallel remedies in respect of the same subject matter. But where one proceeding has been terminated without determination of the list.
SSC 6 SSC 120.
120. Joseph ke paragraph to bar kore diye de. Paragraph 12. Joseph ke diye.
This is not placed before the Supreme Court at the time of hearing. My learned senior friend was the senior
no.
present there. Well, I have stated writ petition is pending. That time oppose. There are the
No, oppose.
But because I have not suppressed anything. I have stated similar issues. The division bench also hold that the selection process is legal. That's why I filed the SLP before challenging that order. And I have annexed this petition before the SLP. SLP
Yes, paragraph
18, my lord.
because this issue has been decided by lordship in another matter.
Yes, so either I have to follow my own judgment, which has not been interfered with by the subsequently by the division bench of the Supreme Court, and otherwise it has to be decided that this petition is not maintained.
I have not filed that trace SLP. I have filed connection of
in the writ petition. The West Bengal School Service Commission within bracket cuts, and they would be permitted to participate in the examination scheduled on 7th. Examinations on scheduled dates. Next paragraph. Mr. Kullan Bandyopadhyay, learned senior advocate representing West Bengal Central School Service Commission, has opposed this writ petition. Due to pendency of special leave petition within bracket civil, close bracket, diary number 41453 of 2025, within bracket Obijit Sadhukan and others versus State of West Bengal and others. Next paragraph. Therefore, this court finds no reason to entertain this writ petition at this stage. Please open this. That judgment.